part of who I am today, I can credit to you directly. Like, even in character, naweza piga character ya mzee. Like, it's something that I've been borrowing.
Okay.
Probably I'm not doing directly what you do, but I've borrowed a lot. Rainbow, blue skies, and the seas. Jesus, maker of them all. Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the beauty of nature, you shine all around. For you are everything.
I rarely get excited, but you bring that excitement out in me.
Sometimes you are stubborn in a nice way.
Oh, guys, did you... Okay, explain.
No, don't blow anything out of proportion. I just say it.
Every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we still stand a chance.
No, and it's saying exactly, we don't stand a chance. Yeah, that's why we are seated, even having this conversation.
We like collide on a daily, we interact on a daily.
Yeah, thanks to you. It's your effort. Yeah.
Don't confuse my genuine care and concern to being all over your business.
Okay,
there's a thick line between those two.
So if that's how you define care, please don't care.
Guy! I feel like maybe you cannot live without me.
Mapenzi imekukimbiza sana. I'll say, I cry a river, flowing, flowing, flowing. When you...
No, I have a right to reject.
If you were food, what food would you be? You would probably be the dish that I don't like taking.
So the reason why you would be pilau to me, it is because it's never an easy time with you.
Okay, that makes sense.
You can trust this rich man with your company.
Yes.
His name is Githua Money on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. He's doing a good job.
Yeah.
You can trust him with your endorsement. You can trust us.
Yes.
With your company. We are going to do a good job. Yes. So I'm really proud of you.
Yeah.
Are we rolling? Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Guys, welcome back to yet another video. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. That means you love our vibe, right? Yeah. I am not alone kama kawaida. I am accompanied by the one and only handsome. No, uzipuli yo. Okay. Yo ni a beard gang.
Anyway, yo ni a beard.
We're labda tukupe glass ushike.
Okay, stop.
So, thank you so much guys for always tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing to our previous videos and showing us a lot of love. Today we have a very interesting video. Kama?
Kawaida, of course.
Kama kawaida. That one is stolen. We have a very interesting video. And guess what you are doing today? What are you doing today?
Today, you tell us. What are we doing?
Say hi to people.
Okay, hey guys. First of all, I'm loving the feedback. Wanna use my comments, nini?
Yes.
You guys are interesting. Tazidi kuwapa vitu moto.
And guys, in today's video, we will be having a question and answer session. Say what?
Okay.
Question and answer. Kwani ujui kenye tunafanya?
Si wewe ndo umeplan, si wewe uniambie sasa.
But tuko hapa na wewe. Anyway, we'll be doing a question and answer session whereby segment session, whatever, man. I will be taking honors to ask Mr. Isaac questions to know whether he knows me.
Sasa mimi nimekujulia, but anyway, how do I know you?
Is it not interesting to you?
Let's see how it goes.
Interesting?
Nashangaa itakuwa sana juu mimi hakuna kitu, but anyway, we'll see.
What?
Sijatake time yangu kujua intentionally.
But we have been together. We like collide on a daily. We interact on a daily.
Yeah, thanks to you. It's your effort. Yeah.
So, our questions are right here.
Okay.
So, the criteria in which you are going... But that's the kuliza. How was your week?
My week was great, as always.
As always?
Yeah.
Unanga bad days? Unanga Monday blues?
Siku zote, siku mbaya, siku poa zote nasema tu, it was unazini zote.
You say there were good days.
Ile ilikuwa too good ina equalize na imekuwa too balance.
You share.
You strike that balance. Yeah.
I think Chelsea hawajacheza recently.
Why? Chelsea, well, Chelsea is a very good team.
Fine.
You've been winning.
Fine. I said Chelsea hawajacheza recently.
Was ndo wananipeaga bad days.
Yeah. Your many bad days come from Chelsea.
Anyway, can we move to,
Let us move to, but then I'm so excited doing this.
Okay.
Because I feel like I know you pretty well.
I think you don't, but I hope you do.
Are you excited?
Can I read the first one?
Yes. You answering, we are answering first. So this is how we are going to do this. Hebu ambia watu vile tutajibu hizi maswali.
So of course mwenye anapick karatasi anawauliza swali, mwingine wewe utajibu and then mimi nitajibu.
You answer, if you read that question you answer first.
Yeah, I answer first.
Are you still willing to read first?
No, you go ahead.
No.
I didn't even see the question.
All right. So, easy swali. This question number 14. Zimefika hadi number 14. Who was writing these questions?
Of course not me.
Also not me. Anyway, we told someone to write these questions for us that they may not be.
You.
Come on, we need to be a team here.
Mimi niko na wakati ya kuambia mtu afanye hiyo kazi yote.
But it is we are building a relationship.
Go read the first
we are
question.
Going far.
Okay. Si usome ya kwanza.
The first question is number 14. What would be my dream vacation look like? What would my dream vacation look like? So I'm answering for you and you answer for me.
Okay.
So I'm supposed to answer what would your dream vacation look like?
So what do you think?
I think your dream vacation would look like nothing much to do, nothing much in the itinerary. Like, wewe si wale watu ati back from asubuhi mnafaa kufanya hivi, lunch time, before lunch, after lunch. No,
yeah.
Yeah, your dream vacation would look like maybe chilling, having maybe one activity, eating, drinks, you.
A lot of swimming. You know, I'm very good at swimming.
Are you? In Gatondo?
So in the next video, we are going to find a real challenge of swimming.
Thank you.
If you beat me on that.
If you have a swimming pool, guys, if you have a swimming pool along Nairobi, ama within Nairobi, call us.
Hata kama ni the deepest. I can do deep sea diving.
Deep sea.
You see, you don't know me now. It's
sea.
Clearly from your
Did you mention sea?
Yes. Deep sea diving, I can do it.
Come on, just say you can dive. Wachana deep sea diving, wachana nayo. Just say you can dive.
You swim?
I can actually swim. Next.
Yeah.
So, your dream vacation would look like something not so serious, nothing much to do, relaxing, maybe kuna PS pahali, and you are swimming also. Yeah. What would my dream vacation look like?
Oh, you come extravagant. So your vacation yako lazima ikuwe na, it must be a place where you can take a lot of pictures.
Oh yes.
A place where you can see new things, yani ku explore new places, yani iko na vitu vibe mpya you want to see something new.
Also, I've seen quite much.
Of course you've seen much. I don't
quite
know.
Not much, just
yeah. Your book of life turn the other page and like us.
I read somewhere, guys. The world is like a book. Those who don't travel read only one page. And then I was sharing with him and he was like, yeah, hajaifungua hata cover. Yeah, that's the book content, bado hajasoma. So me, I love traveling. I love outdoors.
Yes.
I'm just nakwanga too ready. We are going where? Question is where. So I think you have answered that right. Yes. What about my nini?
So it's where I tell you have nothing in common because that
let me ask you, what about my recreational activities, mine?
What you love most?
That you think would make my dream vacation?
What would that be?
Recreational activities, new activities too.
What would that be?
Hata si lazima ikuwe active. Why is it taking you like some time?
Because I don't know.
Si lazima ikuwe activities, inaweza kuwa hata things I would love to see. Ama things I love to see.
Probably unataka kuna place yenye iko na kitu kama dolphins.
Yes.
Unaona zikijump hivyo.
Yes.
Yani most of the things you like doing on a vacation, sio unazifanya wewe mwenyewe, ni kama unazivitness.
Yeah, that's true.
You see, now that is the whole difference. Me, I want to be part of those activities.
Okay.
You get now?
I get
difference.
you.
Yeah.
So you want to fly a plane from here to Vietnam?
If I could.
But of course you cannot drive a car.
You want us to get there?
We don't need to get there. Give the next question.
Yeah, already there. Okay. So we'll go to the next question. This, okay.
That's the number?
This is question number 2. Yeah. If we weren't friends yet, what would make you want to be friends with me? I'm not supposed to start.
Yes.
First of all, we are not friends yet. Because if we weren't friends yet, yeah? Are we friends?
Ati? Ati we are not friends yet.
But we say we are to go friends as much.
Yes. Where we are friends.
So,
wewe ni rafiki yangu.
So kama tungekuwa, so question basically inauliza kama tungekuwa mabeshte, nini naweza fanya?
Wewe utake kuwa rafiki yangu.
Okay, for me. I think sometimes you are stubborn in a nice way.
Oh, guys, did you explain?
No, don't blow anything out of proportion. I just said that what?
What are you saying?
I'm just saying you sometimes. Yeah. Of course you mara mingi unasumbua. But some of them
Guy, what do you mean?
Nice. Yeah.
Nasumbua as in aje?
You see you intrigue in people's business a lot. I don't know whether it's my business ama tu kila mtu. Unajua labda ni kila mtu. You cannot be laughing like this.
Haya.
Yeah, so
you feel like in people's business.
Sijui kama ni business yangu you always like ama ni kila mtu.
What do you mean I'm always in your business?
What do I mean? You know what I mean?
Don't confuse my genuine care and concern to being all over your business.
Okay,
there's a thick line between those two.
Thick or thin?
A very thick line.
I mean, so if that's how you define care, please don't care.
Guy!
There has to be a better way of doing things. I mean, we have had people who care for us before and they are not extra.
Now tell me,
you have to be moderate.
What is the good side? What is the good side of what is the good side that you feel like you like?
You see that like regular checkup, like.
Oh, I'm always in the scene.
Yeah, so the fact that you're always in the scene somehow is like, and this is somehow nice, something nice.
Nice. So he like it. It's working, guys.
I never said
a lot of people have been telling me,
you're almost there.
Keep it up, girl. Keep it up. And clearly you see it's working.
No, I just said, okay, can you answer the same question?
If you weren't friends yet, what would make you want to be my friends, to be friends with me? So what would make me want to be friends with you? I think what would make me want to be friends with you is a sense of humor.
Okay.
Like I cannot withstand your jokes. I mean, you will really crack me up in a very good way. You crack.
Is it that I crack you up, or you just want to laugh? Probably to prove that.
Have you seen me around in other spaces.
Yeah.
Have you seen me?
You rarely
Do I
get
even
excited.
I rarely get excited, but you bring that excitement out in me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something that you don't. Eh?
What do you mean?
Can you try to change maybe your tactics? Probably you.
Something that I don't, as
bring some. Have you ever excited me?
You mean the fact that you bring out excitement in me? I have never brought excitement.
Yes, you let me do the heavy lifting of making sure you're laughing. What do you bring on the table?
But I don't laugh because you're funny. I laugh because I relate to what you say. Kuna watu wengine unaweza shinda nao na hata please, can you be truthful?
Okay. You have the next question.
What's one thing you think I can't live without? So what one thing I think you cannot live without?
Okay.
I think you cannot live without fast. No, your phone clearly.
That one I can live with. I've been living without my phone for the longest time. But I have a problem with my phone. I'm always having issues with my phone.
We are getting there. Don't preempt.
Okay.
So one thing I think you cannot live without is football.
Watching or playing.
Both.
Mimi hata sijazangi football.
Guy, I think you unachezanga PS sana.
Yeah, okay. I love watching football because I'm a football fanatic.
Yes.
And also
enthusiast.
Yeah,
Enthusiast.
Yeah.
Kwani nilikuwa msikia nimesema?
Umesema enthusiast.
Enthusiast.
Anyway, whatever. Yeah, so I love football, of course. Na team ni kubwa, team ni Jamu, team ni Chelsea.
Team ni watu wa pikipiki.
Sawa.
So yeah, I think you cannot live without. I think you cannot live. Wait, even at the director anakuinulia mkono hivi. So guys, you and the director, you guys are Chelsea fans.
We must be, of course.
Someone said Chelsea. Weekend mnashindanga salon.
But
you have missed your salon appointment.
We don't want us to get there. Mambo ya salon, mambo ya control teams. You need a bottle.
Of what?
You guys are bottlers. Inakupita gini jokali. Football fans will understand. You guys are bottlers.
Guys, what
every season you come close to winning, but you never win. Like, I mean, if football,
that is we have not yet disclosed.
You guys are always coming close.
We have not yet disclosed our full potential. We have not shown the world what we can do. We just tease you guys.
It's taking you too long, man. Just letting them. You guys, man.
Anyway, so
win something. So what? Football. That is what you think.
Yeah, and what else? What else do I feel like you cannot live without? I feel like maybe you cannot live without me.
Stop feeling.
No, serious.
Why would you feel like I can't live without you?
Can you live without me?
Yeah. Can I, like, I can do that easily. I mean, it's the easiest thing.
To live, like, to maneuver life without me.
I've been doing that. You are the one who is meddling on me maneuver, but I have been doing it. Kumaneuver ni maneuver. When unaingia. Yeah. So
accept the truth and move on. You cannot live without me.
I think about football, hapo uko right, because I love watching football na kucheza game. Na bado hata game, mimi sichezangi game nyingine ni bado ni football. Yes.
Wewe uchezangi zile za kupiga na magari na mateke.
Za magari nini hizo chezangi. But yeah.
Because anyway, let me leave that behind. Answer the same question.
And also mimi upenda kukaa. Sijui kama unajua, I remember you saying that if someone says they are introvert and they have no money, you just know they
are not introvert. They have not yet concluded that they are introvert. Wewe unapenda kukaa indoors, it is because huna resources.
Huna resources za kuenda place
nyingine.
But mimi na feel hadi nikiwa na hizo resources kwenye nitaenda nitakaa bado indoors.
But tutakuwa umeenda.
Yeah, so like nacheza game Istanbul, Turkey. Ama ni iko wapi hiyo? Iko Turkey?
Yeah.
So ninacheza game Istanbul. Sababu niko ndani.
Exactly, but umetoka umeenda huko.
What one thing you think I can't live without you? Oh. Oh, what?
I cannot wait.
What's one thing you can't live without? Mm-hmm. Why is it taking me so long to think about
It's so
something you
easy.
can't live without?
Manze.
Ni kama mimi sikujui bana.
No, answer the freaking question.
Aka?
Close, but I can live without a car. See, there were days I didn't have a car.
But now, how comfortable are you kungoja matatu?
I actually don't.
See.
But no, kama ni gari yangu kezaenda, God forbid nifanyike kitu siwezi ishi.
Tuna Uber.
I will Uber, but that is me living without a car.
So that one I'm wrong.
You are right, maybe 70%.
Something else you can't live without. Family.
Oh, yeah.
You mean...
Sasa, my dad died, and I've been living, so I can't clearly live.
You're putting it so like, my dad died.
No, my dad left and have been living, so I treasure my family a lot.
Yeah, you do, because every now and then you're telling me, hey, sister yangu hajakuja sijui in like 2 days. So you mean sijaona sister yangu in 5 months, and I'm okay, man.
I keep on telling you.
You tell me that 1,000 times.
Aje.
Like time yenye sister yako hajakutembelea, you're like, ama mama yako, like, hey, nimekaa sijaona. Na ni kama siku 3-4. I'm like, what?
Yeah, but that is also me living. Whether you don't know me, Ebupas, and I'm not going to tell you these things.
So I failed.
I cannot live without God first.
Did you want us to get spiritual? You would have said.
Just say it. I cannot live without God. I am a very spiritual person. I cannot imagine my life outside.
Actually, I was to ask, the moment I asked the question, nilikuwa nikuulize, do we get spiritual? I'm just talking about the things you can't live without.
Clearly you don't know me. It's painful.
Let's try the next one. Let's try the next one.
And every time I open up, it hurts. I'm never gonna get too close to you.
Even though you mean the most to me. Because every time I open up,
in case you go and leave me in the dark.
Never get too close to you. Even though you mean the most to me. Because every time
that thing you did hapo mwisho is not it.
Because every time
you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we still stand a chance.
No, and it's saying exactly, we don't stand a chance. Yeah, that's why we are seated, even having this conversation. So what song? Song again.
Hi, we were meant to be. Aki, we were meant to.
What song would you say? It's so me. What song would you say is so me? Starts with a love song, and gospel song. So for you, see, I'm answering for you. Love song. Mapenzi imekukimbiza sana. I'll say, I cry a river, flowing, flowing, flowing when you...
No, I have a right to reject. Don't throw my love life to the dustbin like that.
I cry a river, flowing, flowing, when you say you're going. Boy, you're fantastic. Boy, you're marvelous. Your position got me there. I feel for you. There's no breaking up you. In my thinking.
All right.
Gospel song? Yeah. Gospel songs in those zimejaa. But I'll give you... I draw a permanent boundary line.
Guy, you stop.
The enemy has no right to come near my family.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, in terms of...
And surprisingly, let me surprise you. Sijawahi eka hiyo wimbo nikasikiza either kwa TV yangu ama kwa simu. Never.
I draw.
Naisikizanga tu TikTok.
I draw.
Na sijaiweka nikaisikiza.
But you love it though.
Does
it talk to you? Because it's about, like, would you say it's so me?
It covers the bigger part of what I stand for.
Yeah. Me I listen to it the whole song. Like, I have seen even those other nini. apart from the trending parts.
Wewe umesema juu hiyo ndio wimbo unashinda umesikiza.
Oh, you want me to go deeper like song ya kitambo?
Yeah.
Okay. Probably one by Nathaniel Bassey. Yeah.
I love Nathaniel.
There's this song when nasemanga yeah. But there's a song by Nathaniel. Okay, najua ngoma zake nyingi mpaka kama You Are Amazing, Dear Lord. You're amazing. Your love is amazing, dear Lord.
Summer, winter, autumn, spring, Jesus.
Rainbow, blue skies, and the seas.
Jesus,
maker of them all. Everywhere I go, I see you right there. In the beauty of nature, you shine all around. For you are everything. And see,
don't
make me a pagan. You're a Christian though. So is that true?
You need to. I should connect you to someone. Tamuduta wajasali.
Generation after generation. Give me.
No, they don't do that.
No, they say that.
They don't say that.
So mimi venye nimetoa ni kama zile church zinaanzanga nini?
Ile church inakuwa na washirika wanne na speaker ni yo.
So you tell me.
What song would you say it's so me? A love song that is so unique.
And if you get it wrong, I'm correcting you, Pia.
A love song that is so you is Kwemaudu Mahane Kaira.
Why would you put it in Kikuyu like the most Zayat Yagoko? Why would you think that my love song is? Do you know how you have the most terrible Kikuyu like love songs?
Guy, so what love song? Ebu kwanza ningie gospel kwanza. Gospel kwanza najua by Sammy K.
Sammy K is my favorite. Sammy K is my favorite. You know I can shout out.
No akweri ati mathina nimo magako nina.
Nudia ukweli? Murutere wa Ngai wa wera nungi kiumenya. Clearly that is my favorite. Ego cidagia na imera ciothe niguo tumukurane. Akoragwo ria Ngai riria kitena riria atekite. Nĩrĩo tũmaga akĩo tũkinyire rĩrĩa kwenda ũngĩthoma ũhoro wa Naomi nomenye ũrĩa ndĩrauga. Like I can sing that song, it's in as a flow, although it's so your peke. Song mingi za Sammy K in as a flow too.
Why Sammy K?
I think that guy draws inspiration directly from the Bible. And that's so nice. Like jamaa without just kusikiza ngoma zake inakuambia how good that guy is kwa kusoma Bible.
He's a Bible scholar.
Yeah, huyo ni mtu mwenye, because you don't just draw kuna jambo hiyo igwa hapo na mundu ucio ni hando kilafu arari.
Ai.
Mundu and I base so much with dunia.
Yeah.
But it's a good song, but for Sammy K is a good one. Yeah, so hiyo umeshika, hiyo nayo umeshika.
So love song I would say you know who's that?
Who's on Harmonize?
There's this song that he sings about Ntaubeba. Nitakufa now.
Kiume.
Naubeba. You know that song?
Yeah, by then Kali. So iko kwa list.
It is in the list.
But mbona usiniwekea kizungu? Meaning, okay, can I say it? Heartbreak Anniversary.
Ay, which one is that?
You know that one? Iko Heartbreak Anniversary.
Guy, mtu amekuwa akisikiza wimbo please.
Ajui aje manze.
No, the song that I would highly actually think ni Lea ni Faded. You are the shadow to my life.
Hapana. Mimi ni fan wa huyu jamaa mwenye nasikia wa Ethiopia huyu. Mtango aje?
Enitangwa
Khalid or something. Si Khalid.
Ule wa you never No. Me pass.
You umefail. So mimi ndio nachukua next.
Yeah.
Okay. So we go to the next one.
That when you look at your swali, that's a hard one.
Yeah. If I were food, what could it be and why? Yeah. What food do I miss a lot? Could you like?
No, it is me you are talking about here.
Yeah. So see, I'm talking about if you were food, what food would you be? You would probably be the dish that I don't like taking. What dish is that? Gide? No, gide. Probably omena.
Why?
Because why are you looking at me when I'm eating? Like, why are your eyes open and you're ready? Don't overthink that though.
Surprising. Kai. Hey, please keep it PG.
Yeah, see, that's why I said
Surprisingly, I love omena.
see. But you've never, the whole time you do about the omena.
Guy.
Oh.
Mi napenda omena, serious. I love omena so much. Ni vile saa zingine yuzu nishinda kupika because they'll leave the house smelling like tear gas.
Okay, so yeah. So if you are food, I will give you omena because I don't like it.
Guy.
You?
If I were food, what would it be and why? So if you are food, you would be pilau.
Why?
Pilau is nice. To me, pilau is nice. But there's just something about how...
The process.
The process, first of all, the process is a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And then you cannot just have pilau freely and then huwezi kula pilau na giza. Umeuma mbao, umeuma msumari, there's a lot.
Mwarubaini imekuwa mingi.
Yeah, like the ingredients for pilau, they are just a lot. Okay. So the reason why you would be pilau to me, it is because it's never an easy time with you.
Okay, that makes sense. I think for the first time we agree. You omena and pilau.
Me, I'm not agreed on anything.
Let's go to the next one. That was an easy one. The question is, which
number is that?
This is question number 6 on the list. It's a nice one. What's my most used phrase of word?
Your most used phrase of word? Hey, that one I know.
Say it.
You love saying money.
Money.
Yeah.
Like in real, like
even
off the camera.
Even kwa call. Someone call you and tell you something. Money.
Yeah. You know, you see, even I've gone to the extent to yeah. But then, unajua Mani ni jina ya watu, kuna watu kama ndio itako John Mani.
Ai.
Guys, kama uko that name hebu comment. Kuna watu niambianga actually someone mentioned in my comment, are you from our family? Nikamwambia why? Because kwetu most males are called Mani. Mani is a name on its own. Mtu anaitwa Isaac Mani.
It's money giving bro.
Okay. So, money, I think you're right. What's your most commonly used phrase? Yeah. I know.
I don't use that so much. Atinda sema, I know. So I use it, but not to be my common.
Good morning.
No.
Good morning.
I only use good morning when you are shooting. So it is not my common phrase.
Okay. But clearly, nikisema good morning, watu wanarelate.
That is the only way they interact with me.
Yeah. So I'm wrong again. So what is the name?
I love you saying, what the hell?
What the hell?
I love saying what the hell, and I also love saying, oh no.
Oh no, yeah, oh no, true, yeah.
Yeah, I love saying, oh no.
Yes.
And you, I will not, by this people, mimi kuna swali yako nimeshindwa.
No, I'm just giving you that benefit of doubt.
Like, benefit of doubt, you clearly don't know me.
Putting you, na act kama unajua but ujui. No.
So unakubali tu?
Yeah, unajua just.
That is not true.
Just letting a woman be a woman. You know.
That is not true, and I love that actually.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
I love that because you're finally considering me.
No, don't take it there. Next. This is question number
13. It says, if I had a warning label, I'm a warning label, what would it say?
Volume. If you had a warning label, who you? When it comes to noise, you look like the opposite of you. someone might think that atijua probably tuseme amekupea ride anaweza weka loud music uta enjoy, but she's the opposite. Na pia niseme unasemanga
What do I say?
punguza okay.
No, yeah, you can say it. Watu watasikia vibaya umewatiz na hujasema.
Yeah, unasemanga punguza hiyo Android. So I don't know what bonus going have on as
Android are like unnecessarily noisy.
But you know kitu yenyewe unaita noise kwangu sio noise. Like it's something I can live with.
No, let me tell you. Unaweza kuwa na simu hapa, una scroll, ile noise unasikia niko maybe somewhere very far and I can feel it and irritate. I'm like, wewe sasa unasikia aje?
No, you hate noise.
I hate noise. I would prefer if you're in my circle, please use AirPods.
Yeah, keep the noise to yourself.
Like listen to your stuff. I also don't want to hear what you're hearing. Spend the noise literally.
Yeah, so I think that is a label you would have.
Lower shut up.
Please.
I'm a lower your volume.
Why can I hear what you're saying?
And I don't love loud people. I also don't love loud people.
Okay. But loud people don't love loud people. They love quite the opposite. You get that?
So you say you think
yeah, you're loud.
Am I?
You are loud.
Kai, you know there are people who are loud. You know, like Shafira is very loud.
Yeah, Shafira is loud as well. But Shafira is loud on camera. You are loud even off camera.
No, my sister is here. It's not true.
You're loud.
Am I loud off camera?
You are very loud.
No, let her. Am I loud off camera? Thank you. We have been together since birth.
Okay, now.
Naomi is loud occasionally when she.
Yes.
No, she has get used to her.
Yeah,
now
to a point of
loud.
Yeah, to her she's not. Am I loud?
You're not loud.
You see?
My sister is actually right. I am loud occasionally when I'm excited.
Yeah, because even your laugh is one of the loudest things I've had. But it's nice. I'm not like playing it down. I'm just like you laugh loud, man. So when mtu mwenye hadi mkienda mtu kama karorashio muone mzee mwenye analeta amevaa kiatu fani, you utaniuza. You will be a sellout because you laugh in a way that people will be like, what are you discussing?
I cannot actually.
Unajua kufungia?
Vibaya sana.
Okay. So that am I right now?
Yes. Noise. Okay. If you had a warning label, what you would say is okay, I don't find you sensitive to things. What would you say? You'd say malizeni niende.
Yeah. But they said you were right, Anna. But Pia, saying that I'm not sensitive to things, I am sensitive to things, but I don't talk about it. I don't mean naweza ingia a room with energy yenye ni opposite yangu na sitasema. You understand?
Yeah.
You see when unasikia wanaume ati mtu ameingia kwa ameorder food kwa ina joint. Kama uko na demu yako inakuwa easy juu anaweza sema hakusema umwekee mayonnaise, hakusema but mimi kama mwanaume nikioda yeko hizo vitu na siko nimesema nakula tu hivyo.
But you really love unamapenda kumaliza kwenda home.
Yeah, napenda kwenda home. Na hata say I'm going home to anything or to anyone. Naenda tu home.
Not that you're going home to a mansion.
But pia penye namaliza niende sasa nimeacha mansion. So it's a good career.
Unaenda ward?
Yes, yeah, I like my own time,
no, like sometimes,
my own space.
No.
Maybe nimeona open space yako.
I love my space in my bed because I really sleep well.
Okay.
But I don't love staying alone.
Like, when now if you tell me to go into the kitchen and make you something, don't come. That's how much I love my space. You know get? Usinifuate ati nikata kitunguu niambia ati kata hivi.
I know I'll really have to man you.
That's why bado.
It's not about your space here, it's about you doing what I want you to do.
No, but you told me to go make you something. Let me make whatever. Nikiingia kitchen usikuje mpaka nimalize nikuletee. Na wewe ukiingia sitakuja. If I give you a space, ni kama unaona kama mtu mwenye anakuambia si leo nifanyie kitu fulani, but they tell you how to do it. Like umeniambia nenda unipikie.
Yeah, to reduce.
Why are you telling me what to do then? But just do it basi.
No. Okay, fine.
You get that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what is this obsession with going home? Yani, exactly, it could be raining, literally raining, but haezi kaa kwa nyumba. He's like, unajua nilikuwa hapa sioni kama mvua inaisha. Come on now.
Yeah.
Unajua hizo matajiri wananga hizo?
No, wananga. Mimi ndo nafaa kusoma next. Okay, so the next question
that is nice.
So question number 3. What is one thing you are really...
Why are you shouting, bwana?
Oh, just shout. What is one thing you are really... What is one thing you are really proud of, proud about me, that you've never told me?
Me, I know.
So I'm supposed to answer one thing I'm proud of you.
That you have never told me, and me, I say one thing. Can I go first? Okay, go first.
I thought from the word go, the one reading goes first. I mean...
So I'm making a big deal out of it. Just go first.
Who made it a big deal? I'm just saying that's how protocol is supposed to work.
So what is the problem when I go first?
Okay. What is
Let
one
me just
thing...
go first.
Okay, go first. I'm never winning a conversation. So.
Okay, go first.
Okay, if I go first, one thing that I'm proud of you nasijai kuambia. Probably that nisha kuambia. I think
Aki, please let it make me feel nice.
You love hey, what is one thing that what am I proud of you, man? Hey. I could say maybe you're a go-getter, but this time in a good way, right? Like vitu zenye effort yenye unaput sahi kwa life yako, kuna mtu aput effort, there's another version of you that haeki effort na anazipata, chika una get. So kuna mtu tu place amekaa akasema mimi ni mbaba tu, mimi ka flow. No, you get that. You get your point. Like kuna mse sawa unaweka effort, but sio lazima uweke effort. There are so many other options that unaweza
I have options.
kuweka pale. Yeah. So you want to be proud of every milestone you achieve in your life.
Na si ati wa baba wanitaki.
Hiyo sana labda uniambie. Anakutaka.
It's your point, bana, nachangia point yako.
Me, I just made my point. I'm like,
wow, so you're always proud of me in that manner?
In the manner in which you love, like every achievement, it is credited to you directly.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Like this is me. Okay, I have a car, this is mine. I have this is mine.
No Mubaba funded that.
Yeah, no one did, like mtu alikuja hapo akamwaga pesa and then I just have this.
Yeah. Actually, that is true. And it is not easy. No, because sometimes I sit down and think about how I live my life. Do you know, I am a woman who lives like a man. No favors, no nothing. It is entirely me. And it is because I've chosen that life.
But it's supposed to be that way. I don't think you're doing anything special. It's just that every other girl there is doing it like...
The other way.
They have refused to maintain that level of dignity. So for that...
Can I, like, hug you?
No, can we move on? Yeah? So maybe in the next point, you say something.
No, just... Guys, I think that is romantic.
No, it's an observation. Something that I've observed. Probably you might change.
I'm not changing. What are you saying? I've already built that muscle. What is one thing that I'm really proud of? I'm really proud about you, and I've never told you. But me, I've told you.
Which is?
You see, when first we were meeting, you were really complaining a lot. I
was.
Guy, you used to complain.
About?
Life too.
Oh.
Like you ulikuanga pessimist sana.
Oh, so niko na life in that.
But slowly, I have seen you becoming contented. I'm content with where you are. I've seen you change from that. You don't complain a lot. And that one makes me feel so good because I know every time mtu may shift your mindset from complaining, they are unknowingly aligning to the blessings of God.
That is growth. The question should have been then growth, but it's not.
Listen, I'm coming next to you. I am proud. I'm proud of the fact that you have started getting endorsements. When we were meeting, you were suffering, my boy.
Endorsement to me were a thing that I would see on other people's channel.
Yeah. And guys, you can trust this rich man with your company.
Yes.
His name is Githua Mani on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. He's doing a good job.
Yeah.
You can trust him with your endorsement. You can trust us.
Yes.
With your company. We are going to do a good job. Yes. So I'm really proud of you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also I think, did I add this? Can I add this?
Yeah.
Because now I already did my part. Yeah, can I add that part of who I am today, I can credit to you directly. Like, even in character, there's a character I'm there. Like, it's something that I've been borrowing.
Okay.
Probably I'm not doing directly what you do, but I've borrowed a lot. Like, mtu unasema huyu ameborrow character say plan hivyo.
Right.
So come on,
but I never saw that.
Even if you see some comments are saying
who opposite
yes, it is like there is
but I don't think so. It's good you borrowed the idea but not the whole art.
Yeah, I borrowed just the idea. Yeah.
Thank you. You're so sweet. You're so sweet.
So question number 16. Weird habit I have that you have never mentioned.
Weird habit you have is uko kwa watu lakini simu yako iko volume ya 100.
Oh, do I do that?
Yes.
You see, that is debatable.
It is not.
You have an issue with volume.
It is not.
Unapata simu yangu iko volume kidogo but kwake
as long as no 30
zima hiyo 100. Hiyo ndio nasema hapo ni Samsung. So then useme brand zingine but usema aje?
No, you have a tendency. Can you ask my sister? It's true. Yes.
Serious.
Yani, as long as volume imepita wewe in this cocoon, it's loud volume.
Okay.
So that's a weird habit.
So what is weird about that?
Kwa sababu what makes you feel like mbona ufeel ni kama watu wengine who are uncomfortable with loud volume?
Probably that's sijui niko loud.
That's why it makes it even weird. It's not even making noise to you at the first place.
Okay. So that is it.
That's it. Let me see. Kama nimejibu vizuri. Weird habit that I have never mentioned. Yeah, that's it.
You did mention. So that I should work on that. Clearly.
Please get like some AirPods or earphones. But first of all, you can repair your screen.
Kabunisia dhimo monji huwe. Kabunisia dhimo mori ngone. My screen is inawaka. Inaka kulichoma.
Screen yake inawaka kama nini, inawaka kama lightning. Inatokea kama angel.
Yeah.
One thing you are proud of me and one weird habit that I have.
The weird habit is wewe
Kai mwadhani
acha niseme hii basi.
No, mbona unadira ni point hivi?
Habit nyingine nimeona yako ni you are very
be kind.
Wewe
but why does it feel like it's gonna be bad?
Nimetoa hiyo nyingine probably wewe utasema nini? Wewe ni mtu mwenyewe. Wewe ni mtu unaweza huyu ni mtu mnaweza pigwa na yeye. Na ni yeye ametuma. Yani huyu mtu that's why I think you should get a very watu wanasema they can kill a gorilla. Umeona hiyo 100 men. You should get one of those determined 100 men who can kill a gorilla. So definitely they have to be willing to fight. Na not running away. Because huyu unaweza hata amediss tu mtu high profile bana. Hadi kwa gari unaona umeambia driver na hiyo driver ako na lori mzima. Wewe songesha hiyo nini yako. Sio ni hey,
no.
How bold are you?
Hapana, I don't harass people on the road.
No, you do. Mimi hata naweza kurecord because I know you will do it anyway.
Kuharass ile inakwanga mimi najiambianga.
But wanakusikia you are loud.
Please. In a highway nasema kitu driver mwingine anasikia.
There's a time tena sitaki wakisikia. There's a time you call me. So mtu tulikuwa na yeye hakujui. So akaoverhear. So tukaongea tukamalizana akaoverhear akaniambia na kwani udema kwa ruda aje. So for me that was a normal conversation because I know you. But kwa the first impression na kwani Naomi anakuwa ruda aje. You see?
No. That's not true. That is casual.
Now you start unakwambia hata kwa barabara unakuanga hivyo.
Okay guys, I don't think so. That I need to differ. Am I rude to you?
No, you're not. See, mimi okay, probably nasema hivyo in the first few days za kujua, but I know that's your character. But now the first impression. So kama mtu alikuoverhear kwa call, na kwa nini anaongea na like command. Sinje kwambia you are a commanding woman.
But hizo ni vitu mbili tofauti. Rude and command
I didn't say you are rude. Nikusema wewe unaweza pigisha mtu.
So una feel kama
wewe ni msaidizi mnawezana na yeye kama kwa club hivi utusi bouncer tu casually tu.
But unajua
and you expect me to be the one defending.
The problem ni the issue here ni me I don't call mtu
not those huge names there.
I don't like abuse someone. I just tell you what I think.
Yeah, ndio nakwambia hiyo.
Like we bana. One thing that one weird habit that I have in your journey ambia.
I think about your percentage you have a very short period ya kusikiza mtu akiongea.
Kai.
Understand? Like if you go to a space and like unapea mtu a very short period you must say everything or usiniambie ma story mingi.
Oh yeah.
Like ile battery how much can you listen to someone? Kama uko na shida niambie dinari ya Hawaii. Dinari ya Hawaii ndaenda kwa don't go through the corners.
Tia kujatire.
Tia kujatire taru irare.
Gaino kale dry na igana mu.
Yes. That's what kind of you like those like need your radar. Say need your it's something you want.
It goes straight to the point.
Go uko na hiyo battery ya mtu aku explain sana unakaa tu like you are out of the conversation.
Yeah.
You're not listening to them.
Yeah, that's weird.
That's a weird one because mimi naweza sikiza mtu. Okay, mimi niko na I have a way. I'm not paying attention but I'm listening. I'm looking you through the eyes. I can like try to nod but I'm not even there. But for you clearly from mtu anakuona anaona hii conversation huu dem alitoka kwa hii conversation kitambo hivyo. Alafu
mimi nakwambia so I don't think that is weird.
Ama hata mtu amekwambia ameenda first of all mention na chakula then unaanza stories zingine wewe unamwambia 207 like so ni food so ni kwa so ukakule hivyo.
No, there is a story. Me spendi story mingi. That's true actually.
That's
I don't think that's weird.
Yeah. But I think it's weird.
Okay.
In a way that
That's
the next one.
What would you do? What would you dare me to do that is totally out of my character?
Oh, what would I dare you to do?
I keep that one. I know.
I go first. Hey. Would I dare you to do that out of your character?
Guy.
Hey, mimi nini go out of your character? I'll dare you to like do clubbing.
Besides that, fine. Besides that.
There's something else that I should know.
No, that we bana jibu swali.
Si nimesema hiyo umeikataa.
Hiyo iko sawa because that is really much besides. Hata nikienda kuwatch football nasikianga kai unanipigia kelele.
Spiritual?
Can I help you?
Yeah.
If you dare me to shoot content in public.
What?
Yeah.
You're shy?
But you know, off character, I am not that person.
Yeah. So I mean, in character is the easiest. Mimi sasa ukiniambia ni walk na ile suit yangu, I can walk. Naweza fanya character nayo anytime. Because I'm sure the next minute that change, na si watu wengi wana notice.
So mimi saa zingine, I'm really, no, I wouldn't. Sinanga hiyo inaonga mori na actress anashoot sau katikati. Guy.
Shout.
Na ameshout huko akikimbia na manguo na maleso. It is really, it would, hiyo inaweza nifinyilia. I can have anxiety the whole day.
So what's the main issue?
Also, your attention. Also attention when, I remember there was a time, nilienda town, I left, I was using matatu. So nimepanga line, ile line serious masajioni, ile line serious. Then kuna watu siku hizi ukipanga line ya matatu wanakuja wanafanya like some acrobats nini. Wamejipaka some maleso jivu and they come to like ask money. Let me tell you, kuna moja alinijua hiyo nimecheza chini. Like alishauti jina yangu.
So wale ni metro. I mean,
do you know sweat?
What?
Alishauti jina yangu and I'm like, bro, I don't love this attention. It is okay because it's basically him showing love. The love, yeah. Fine, but you're causing me unnecessary attention. And I was okay just being here. Mwenye atanijua fine, but I don't love attention. Nilishikwa na anxiety from that minute to home. My heart was racing the whole time and I was sweating.
So ibinaona kama hii anxiety yako ni ya uko kwa line. Probably mzee unotice uko gari yako. Would it be the same?
Yes. Alafu najua tuko kwa line watu kama 1000. Anyway, that is just I don't love kukua kwa public sana.
Okay.
Na nikikuwa public ni hata kama mnanijua nyinyi msioneshe mnanijua. Si tukulele tu vibe.
Okay.
Yeah. One thing I would really dare you that is outside your character is to maybe record a song.
Like go to the studio. No, how is that out of my character?
Can you
do that?
Can you?
Like if you dare me, I would sing ngoma kwa kichwa. Sasa I will do just something for you.
You have you gonna wimbo zako umeandika?
Okay, so you mean that nisifanye ngoma ya mse?
Yes. Anza wimbo yako vizuri.
But I don't think that is so much out of my character.
I have one. To start a business.
It is out of my character? Do you mean? Why?
I feel like you can correct me if I'm wrong. It is not in your strength to bring something to life from zero, but it is your strength to nurture something that someone has brought to life.
No, that's correct.
Yes.
That one is true.
So if I tell you to start where tienda uanzishe biashara, it will like take you a good one.
But if you tell me I have started this thing and
yes,
doing and I put my effort there,
yes.
Yeah, not managing it necessarily.
Yeah, like where and the
I'm also a poor manager because I don't know how to command people around.
Leave that to me.
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, it's the challenge if I tell you to do that.
Yeah, correct. It's my turn, man.
It's my.
Okay, so we go to the next one. The next one, what's one thing I do? What is one thing that I do that always makes you laugh?
I love when you. Napenda tu jokes zako. Ukweli tu nayo ni ukweli. One thing you do that, it's when you're commenting about something. Either we are walking on the road, alafu you see something. I mean, you're driving and you see something. The comment that will come thereafter.
Yeah. You are chukua credit. This is question number 7 though.
The comment, your comments are crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is one thing that you do that makes me laugh? Have I ever felt like...
What? It shouldn't even take you a minute to think about it.
I think ni venye. Okay, I'll say this. Can you ufanya check sasa zingine how you relate to joke nimesema is so yes. Yani inatrigger hiyo joke ikuwe kubwa than kama nimesema kwa msemo mwingine.
Okay.
So hiyo inafanya tu nicheke juu like how umerelate nayo vizuri sana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
You get that?
I get it.
Yes.
That makes lots. That means we are meant to be
jokers, and you can be tunameet tunapiga jokes, mtu anaenda kwa mtu wake
So you want to be with someone who don't relate to your jokes?
But then because I mean I have a problem. Watu ninakuwa wengi. If I date someone, hawakuwa hata wanaelewa. I have dated a girl mwenye hata ajui video zangu. Yeah.
Why would you do that?
I get my style of comedy.
Do you think I would survive a zombie what?
Apocalypse.
Apocalypse. Yeah, do you think I would survive a zombie apocalypse? Do I think you would survive a zombie apocalypse? No.
Why?
You are really not that a fighter. You are not such a fighter.
Me, then actually there's a challenge where they're saying that. Have you seen the challenge?
No.
They're asking, but it's a good time to pose this question. I'm sure most of you have seen it. A team, can 100 men kill or defeat a gorilla? A gorilla. So what do you think? You know a gorilla? So can 100 men defeat a gorilla?
Unless it's not a trickster question, I think yes.
They can. 100 men.
You
know how strong that thing is? Because
100 men, even one.
No. Okay, you're not giving them like guns and knives and swords. Nyama kwa nyama, anaume na gorilla.
Yeah, they can, yes.
What do you think would be the strategy? Okay, this is 100 men. The gorilla is locked there. So you release the gorilla.
So I think the strategy would wajipange. Why are you bringing me here, Bana? Why are you asking me?
But the question is being posted everywhere.
So me, the strategy I would employ if I was
the coach.
If I was the coach to the team, I would when you get to the gorilla, ni kila mtu ashike different part of the body, because I would definitely it fight with the crows. So a number of men to washike nini mikono zote nne, then mikono ama miguu. One wengine washike shingo. Do I know how a gorilla looks like? It's a big
monkey. Yeah.
Huyu hata wawili 100 men kwa nini nani?
Sasa venye mnakuwa na very high expectation ya mwanaume anafaa kufanya.
Washike, then we can strangle it, then they can break its arms and legs. You are 100, bro.
I'll give you an assignment to go read about how strong that thing is. So
can I tell you how strong a man is?
Yeah, you know.
A man is super strong. Only when it comes to you. You are not a fighter. I
don't fight for anything, by the way. I don't know.
You don't. Clearly you don't. Na actually nikwambie hii zombie apocalypse ikitokea, wewe ndio unafanya nawe sample.
So the memes were saying, and let me tell you one thing about that, because it has been a trending topic. I wonder how you have been seeing.
I heard someone was saying it yesterday. Nikashindwa, mbona we're talking about a gorilla?
It just popped up as a sasa mtu alikuwa anasema ati gorilla itawaua wote, and then iache wa mwisho ndio aende apeane news. Go and tell the people how strong I am.
No, I don't think. I think 100 men can kill a gorilla. Yeah.
That is arguable. That is, what do you think? So
they can. Even 100 women can kill a gorilla. The question was
apocalypse. You can survive.
Yes. Why do you think I can?
Because you are strategic. Not because you are strong, not because of anything, you are strategic. You know how to play your cards. I'm
also strong. No, pia siogopangi sana.
Yeah, so tunasema ugopangi sana na pia you are strategic. Unaweza jua venye you can know how to survive.
Yeah, I cannot just sit there and I'm like, oh, it may happen.
Yeah, you will not just face the zombie and fight it, but there are ways unaweza jificha. You know, in a Game of Thrones, sio lazima upigane ndo win. Yeah? Some people sit back when the strong guys are fighting, unakaa nyuma yao. They fight, they die, you go to the next person, unakaa nyuma yake. So eventually unapata you never killed a single soul, but eventually you survived.
Yeah.
So unaweza fanya hivyo.
Umesema naweza tumia watu vibaya sana.
No, you can, and you strategic.
I think that's true. This one kwanza nakumbuka vividly, what one thing I do, in this case you do, that makes me roll my eyes but low-key love it.
So you're like,
yeah, one thing you do that makes me roll my eyes but I low-key love it. Let me tell you how you compliment women. Yes.
Makes you roll your eyes.
Listen. And your compliment is you telling me. Ni mimi unaambianga. Ona vile udemi, ona hizo hips. Like you can analyze a woman like kama exam una mark. And it is me you are telling. I'm like, unakwambia you can just tell me about how a woman looks like. Where's you want na then you fikiri hiyo ikwema. So I roll my eyes because I'm like, so unaniambia nifanye?
But I can do the same to you.
Yeah, please. Then what makes me like it is how you appreciate how a woman looks like.
Okay.
Because you don't say it in a lustful way.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Then is me as well. That's one thing that I do that makes you you command. Like when you unakuwa na command, it's like wow, but yeah, it's nice. Unajiaminia vibaya sana. Like every time you're saying something, no matter who it is, you say something with so much certainty that inafaa kuwa hivyo.
Yeah.
For me, I'm like, kama ifai kuwa hivyo niambie inafaa kuwa aje. I'm open to how can we do this. Wewe ukiona shot ya kamera sio poa, hata kama cameraman amesema miaka 10, simama pale, you must stand there. Utasimama penye amekuambia. Like
unless they prove me by the iko sawa hapa.
Beyond unreasonable doubt inafaa kuwa mahali fulani.
So you don't realize but you low-key love it.
I'm like
Let the guy be.
Yeah, and not you too, but kwa vitu mingi tu you command. Vitu kidogo sana umefanya na siwe mwenyewe umezioda. You get?
Oh, okay. Nice. Kai. Yeah.
You are the boss. You want to be the boss all
yes,
the time.
that is perfectly right. What's one moment we've shared that you think it defines our... This is supposed to be romantic. Can we have like some candles? Some candles, some...
Just finish the question.
Because the question is giving some cute vibes. What's one moment we've shared that you think it defines our friendship?
None. But I will think of something.
None? You said none? So, none yet?
Yeah, nothing yet. Nothing so concrete. Or have we shared anything concrete? Oh, I have something. Them to a pool.
Tulicheza pool wapi pale ile base? Really? Na nikakupiga vibaya sana.
No.
Can I tell you one thing that we've shared that what you are doing right now?
These conversations?
Yes. These podcasts.
They bring out what? That?
In a way it defines our friendship.
I mean, I think moments. I thought it's supposed to be some moment.
Oh, one moment.
Yeah, something that is not even recorded.
One moment.
Kauduka mwendane.
One moment.
Oh,
there was a time you were sharing with me about some issues back at home. Nakumbuka ile siku when it got like too late. Digeda kuga mani to ni maukiona.
We were talking about like home.
Yeah. Ulikuwa na stress. Nakumbuka ile siku ulichona ukipigiwa simu unatoka nje.
I remember.
That's
why
only
you have to use that as a defining moment?
That's the only
it's a
time.
long moment. More with me, even example, I was down.
That's the only time I've seen you vulnerable. By the way, yeah, that was crazy. Yeah. Whatever was happening should happen again.
No, it shouldn't. Wait,
oh, by the way, it shouldn't. We rebuke it in Jesus' name. Hi, the questions in Aisha. We have
to. Yeah, so this is question number 15. We have 15 questions.
Yes.
Those were 14. Okay, if we swept our lives for a day, what would be the first thing you would do as me?
The first thing I would... Busema.
Yeah. Naingia DM. The richest approach in Napata, I'm going.
DM atanimbali WhatsApp.
I'm on WhatsApp. Like I'm going for the I'm going for the groin. the healthiest part of the body.
Guy.
I'm going for the guy mwenye umekuwa ukikataa, and I'm like, kama kuna mado.
You guys,
of course you understand when ladies, especially when the creators, how they are approached by many people, probably wengine jua dignity ama whatever wana ignore. So if I became you for a day, I would like to see how that experience would go. Yeah.
It could be a very interesting one for you.
Yeah, I would like to see how, like, huo mtu mwenye akona hiyo guard ya kuniambia like how wako willing kujistretch aje nikuwe wao hivyo. So me as you, how much are we willing, how far are we willing to go? Yeah.
If I were you in a day, switch character to be you in a day, the first thing I would do is probably I would love to see, to think how you think sometime.
So now in what essence?
In the essence of sometimes I find you very knowledgeable. It's clearly mtu amefanya research. So I would love to have your brain for a day.
You will find research where?
Mimi nayo mfanya research nikisikia watu kanyi mkiongea, I'm like, nalisikia lisema kitu kaa hiyo. So I go research it, not out of my own initiative. Unless it's a matter of public interest sana that I cannot not know.
Okay, on the same breath, when an intrigue, how are you guys able to come here? You don't love add news or something. How are you able to be creative? Now unakuwa creative with what is trending, not how we research. Like, are you guys born creative? Like, because mimi sayo ukiniuliza mambo political realm, nitakwambia politics zinaenda hivi. Ukiniuliza kama hiyo gorilla imetrend ujui.
Sijui yake.
Na probably unaweza uwa joke moja yao na hata hujaiwatch.
Yes. I most of the time don't base my content creation on what is trending most of the time. Second, sikuangi mse wa kwenda na wa keep up na vitu sana.
Okay.
I don't keep up with trends again, which is not a good thing as a creator because you really have to know what's changing.
Yeah.
You really have to
be probably, just to give him credit, you have to be the njugush. Like 2 minutes after something has happened, a video has dropped.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is there anything you've learned from me during our friendship?
No. You?
Is there anything you've learned from me? What?
Resilience.
Guy, by the way, that is not a compliment. Resilience, that means I'm getting it tough, but still.
You want what you want, not what wants you.
Yeah, that's true.
Which is, I think, for a lady, it should not be like that.
Not even who we have.
Like you listen to the heart. The heart want what it wants.
Yes, not what wants the heart.
Yeah. But me, I feel kama kwa a lady, you should go for what wants you.
If I would go for what wants me, I would be for everyone. I would do anything. Yeah, that's a subject to discussion. But it is true. One thing I've learned from you is that no matter how many times you lose a phone, you can actually survive.
Yeah. Guilty.
This guy loses his phone every guy. It's like Mr. Walai. You lose phone like it's a register you tick. And your life still continues. Unampigianga siku moja mzee nilikutext WhatsApp sikuoni. Unajua lazima nikuwe kwa desktop saa hii nini simu yangu sijui kwa wapi. Like tena.
Mimi hadi nikienda shoot zingine naambiango angalia simu yako vizuri.
Jua manze if there is anyone God forbid ataiba yake.
Yeah.
So I've learned that
so umelearn nini hapa kama uko ndatu ku expose? What have you learned there?
Me nimelose.
Because you are the most careful. Mimi simu yako yes. Nani uko na issue na simu?
Sinanga issue na simu, and God forbid I don't drop a phone. I don't give my phone to children. I don't. Na nikimpea na kwa nimeambia mama yake.
Hiyo aruda.
Hiyo mama yake anakuanga very aware. So if you're still willing for your child to interact with my phone, let me know. Yeah, so I would heriata niweke chini nicheze na mtoto but not to entertain them with my phone. Yeah.
So mimi si napenda watoto hata ku entertain watoto, but I just find myself chika Ama ameichukua naongea na mtu na
Yeah. A memory about me that still makes you smile.
Memory about you.
Yeah.
Oh. Memory
About me that still makes you smile.
eh.
Why are you thinking so much?
Unless I say it in terms of vitu wewe uniambia.
Yeah.
So like
Because memories nayo bado.
off camera huu mtu anakuwa very in terms of spirituality. You see a lot of things that mtu anabora kali.
But you never say because you don't want to. You see, anyway.
Yeah, you see a lot of things that mtu ako like uko hivyo ama ni unajua okay, there is believing, there are believers and there are people who
Live what they believe.
Yeah. So kuna mtu mwenye anaweza kupigia
theology,
Deuteronomy yote but ha believe in it. Alisoma kama a story book, a story. So for you live what you say.
Yeah.
So that naikumbuka anasema ni ukweli ama unachokingi tu.
But you have nothing in you have changed in that area of spirituality. Atinaweza sema nilikujua kwa hivi and from that you have changed.
I've seen sijaona.
Me too, I have not seen any change.
They improve?
Not been even worse.
No, I'm always improving.
Are you?
Najaribu.
Okay. How do you feel like you know me? In a scale of 10, how much do you feel like you know me according to...
From this conversation? I think I know a 5%.
5?
Not a percent, but 5 out of 10. Yeah.
Okay. I feel like I
know... So I'm halfway there.
Yeah. I feel like I know you a solid 7.
Just kidding, ngoma we've been through thick and thin. You know? Just kidding.
Thick and thin with TNT?
Pana sasa hii ni ya majuu hata wajui TNT ni nini. Ngoma ya majuu. We've been through thick and thin. She's already thick, so I'm halfway there.
Crazy. I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys. We have shared a very interesting conversation. Do you have a disclaimer?
No.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was smooth. And
every other thing that we have said, take it on a light note.
Yeah.
On a very light note, if you can. But we appreciate the fact that even you guys have shared this conversation with us, and we would love to interact with you guys in the comment section and know what you think. And maybe some of us, some of us know us, some of them know us.
Yeah. So they have a contrary opinion.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Yeah, please let us know what you think, especially this guy. Niko sure in many things amesema, he is wrong.
About you? Tell me if I'm wrong. Kama unajua kama mtu amecommit in person ama interact na wewe. Tell me whether I'm wrong.
Na kama
I would love to.
Please. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, you comment, and you share this video if you can. Keep it here, sorry, for the next video. Bye.
Bye. See you on the next one.